Hi, this is TAKEHARAYA channel. This blog is record of my English study. Please forgive me if I can't speak while looking at the camera. Don't worry about I'm speaking in correct English. I read a picture book, so wrote short essay again. The title of the book is At the Storm Night. 嵐の夜に。The characters are the goat and the wolf. They took shelter from the rain in the dark mountain hut at the storm night. The story is they become friends. They couldn't look each face in the dark. Be misunderstanding over and over. Use only verbal communications. The wolf is natural enemy for the goat, that is herbivores. The goat is good meat for the wolf, that is carvibores. Usually, both animals don't communicate, but this time they can't look each other, so they interpret conveniently went well harmony. I think if I met someone at first time, I don't decide at only looks and actions. I shoot without bias. I don't know they have what kind of values and personality. I think if I meet and know someone, I can know personality if I had curiosity and respect. If I grow old and took some knowledge, I would have imagined results and can't stop self-prejudice. When that happened, I cannot have try action easy. If no one damage, I wanna do anything, be positive attitude. By the way, I read the book complete. Most surprised point is it have next stories. I want to read continuation of story. Another day, I borrow next books from library. I read that, therefore I feel relieved what I could know continuation of the story. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. See you. Oh. Yeah. Very cool. I bought mirrorless camera. Very cool.